Good morning, friends, and welcome to the vlog. So today is Thursday already. Grabe. Hayay na. Ang bilis. I'm not gonna show you lower than this, guys, because I'm not wearing a bra. Yeah, I'm just chilling at home and I am feeding the dogs. Yeah, it's already 9 a.m. kaya I always feed them around 9 a.m. Ayan si Maui. Tinitingnan doon sa loob si Miguel. So I already gave him his food, but it seems na ayaw niyang kainin kasi when I came outside here, may suka na si Maui. And hindi naman yung yung maraming suka, lang water, kasi parang may plywood siyang kinain. Yeah, and some paints dito. Tingnan niyo yung paint doon. Nababakbak na yung paint sa wall, guys, kasi kinakain ni Maui. Wow, it is so beautiful day today. Mahangin, it's not hot. Well, it's already August. Yeah, ang ganda ng kumain na si Maui. Oh, layo so I'm gonna move it here, move it here para here you go. Yan. Maui is eating his food. Yung food ni Maui is rice and ground pork. And sometimes I mixed it with dog food. But he is very picky. I am very picky with dog foods that I give to them kasi nga he gets diarrhea easily. So yun. But Maui is not a picky eater. He eats anything, everything. Pa nga Yun. Dami niyang kinakain. So, the struggle is back. Grabe, ang laki, guys. You can see it clearly from the kasi nasa labas ako. Diba? Grabe. Although my forehead has getting better. Yeah, I'm happy with my forehead. I am doing a hack and hopefully it will work. I'm still on the mga first week on this hack. Yeah. And hopefully it will work, guys. Hopefully. But this one, I bet this is more on the time of the month. Yeah, pimple. Because like I said, like I always mentioned in my video, I am not taking contraceptive pills anymore because of a certain condition. And for now, I'm not gonna tell you about it, but soon I'm gonna tell you about it. What is that condition? I'm gonna share it to you guys. It is something very personal, and I've been thinking about it lately na to share it to you kasi it might be helpful to others na meron, kasi I've searched a lot in the internet about it, but not much. It's the opposite na meron. And so I am really ang ingay naman. So yeah, hopefully I could share that to you. It is something personal, but it is not something na hindi pwedeng ma-share soon. Ganda dito, parang nasa forest. It feels so good here. Maui's eating his breakfast. Yan, and dami na namang iba. Grabe yung iba. Grabe. So yun, chika minute, and that's an update. So I'm planning to change or to go back with my Neutrogena acne foaming facial wash because that really helped, yeah, in my acne. And also I am planning to go back to my facial toner ba yun? Cleanser, ganyan, basta yung eskinol something. And then I wanted to and then ano pa ba, nagustuhan ko pala yung Himalaya, but walang stocks ng toner na Himalaya. That one really worked on my spots because nung first time ko na before ko ginamit yung toner ng Himalaya, ang dami kong spots dito. And yan, nawala siya, guys. Grabe. But It's just that ang hirap makuha, or I cannot get my hands on Himalaya toner kasi ano, out of stock lagi, or pag minsan pag meron sila yung ano, yung bottle ano, may bawas na, so yun, I don't know. And I also like their moisturizer, yung hindi yung mahal, yung tag 100 something lang yung ganun. But yeah, but I'm happy with my skin right now. It has subsided. And I also cut out I drink my coffee like I usually drink. Lately I've been drinking 5 times coffee and now I only have 2 cups of coffee. Maybe it's the dairy too, I don't know, but there's a lot really of culprits, guys, on my forehead, pimples, acne right now. So yan. And I am also doing some, tinatapon ko na yung mga old stuff, yung mga powders. Kasi ang dami kong powders, ang dami kong BB cream, ang dami kong foundation. And those ones that I feel like matagal na, I have shown it. Kasi baka yun din yung yung culprit ng acne ko. Because I don't have something like this. Before, I've experienced here in my mouth, and that was something yung may ininom din ako noon. Yeah. So, grabe. Kung ano-ano na lang yung tinatry, guys. So, yun. So, yeah. Today, I am planning to film an intro again, because yesterday I planned 2 video intros for a video, and today I am planning 1, but I also need to prepare my things for a makeup appointment this Saturday. It's already Thursday, and I need to wash my brushes again, because I usually wash my brushes before any makeup appointment. So yun lang, it's a busy day today, although I don't have hair appointment client today. Yeah, buti na lang wala, at least makapag-rest. But I really set it na the day before the makeup appointment na wala akong client by that, before the day before, kasi nga maaga yung makeup appointment. So yun, ang haba na. I could see on my screen na it's already 7 minutes, guys, and Maui already finished his food. Oh, padili-dili pa siya mukaon, awe. Padili-dili pa ka magkaon, dahil kaon paday ka. Maui never fails me when it comes to food, guys. He's such a good boy. So, yun na lang muna, guys. I'm gonna eat my breakfast too, para makapag-start na ako mag-prepare ng things, and makapag-film and makapag-edit. Kasi last night, hindi ako nakapag-upload. I took a rest. It was Wednesday. So, yun. I'm gonna see you later. So, ayan, tapos na si Awi. Grabe ang hangin. And then, mother is there. Oh, busy sa kanyang tanom. Papalabasin muna natin si Miguel. Kasi Miguel's crying. Ayan na si Miguel. Wow! Wait for me, bruh. Yan si mother na garden. Oy! Shhh! Dili! Bad juday. Yan. May agbati. Alugbati si mother.
Bating dao.
Ah! Tapos meron din siyang malunggay.
Sili.
Tapos papaya. Tapos sili. Pero marami. Ay, eto din may sibuyas dahon. No? Sibuyas. Pero may na sana si mother dito. Palaya. Ang palaya, guys. But namatay kasi na disaster ni Maui. Yan yung ampalaya. Ito yung ampalaya. Tingnan nyo. Namatay. Kasi nung nakagatlo si Maui. Tapos ito pa yung mga sili ni mother. Yan. So windy outside. Here's the Dodge! Here's the Dodge! Miguel, Bantay ka lang. Yeah! Bigyan! Go home na. Go home. Go home. Go home. Hurry up. Go home. Go home na si Miguel, guys. Hurry up. Go home. Go home. And if I tell him to go home, then he starts to eat. Go home. Yeah. So I'm just going to prepare breakfast. Magka-coffee ako. And since we don't have bread. I wanted to eat bread, but we don't have one. So, I think mag-oatmeal na lang ako, guys. Yun na lang. So here is my breakfast. Oatmeal with muscovado, coffee, and we also have chorizo pala. Yan, chorizo and hot dog leftover ng mga bata. Yan, breakfast nila. Yan, kain tayo! Finally, after 48 years, natapos na din yung pag-wash ko ng brushes. Ayan guys, it's a lot and it took me like mga, I don't know, 30 minutes or I don't know if it's already 1 p.m. na, diba? 30 minutes ang tagal, and I did not film it na kasi it was such a tedious process. Grabe, yung kamay ko, tingnan nyo, wala na, nalata na. So yan, I brush our clean and it's ready. Next would be my makeup kit. Hello guys! It's already afternoon and ngayon pa lang ako mag-start mag-edit. I already took a shower. Grabe nung ang kati-kati ng ulo ko guys, and when I scratch my head, may kuto ako. Oh gosh. And the culprit is there. And then yung salarin. Yung isa nasa taas, yung salarin na may puto din. Naputol yung phone ko kasi may alert ako from Globe. Ayan. Yun nga, ang kati ng ulo ko and I was scratching and yun nga, 2 kuto yung nakuha ko. And parang makati pa din. Ewan ko. Baka meron. Oh my gosh. And Rookie went to, asa mo na, diba, ikaw, apil mo palit sa ice cream? Asa mo na ito? They went to Seaside and they brought some ice cream. Ito yung ice cream. Yay! Kain tayo guys ng ice cream. I'm gonna eat my ice cream while editing. Yan. And yeah, si Miguel is nandun. He wants to eat ice cream too, but he cannot eat ice cream guys. So, yun. Kakatapos ko lang mag-prepare ng things, makeup ng things ko para makeup appointment. Yun pala yun. Ano ba? Weird. It took a while. Ang tagal ko nilinis ko I sanitize everything. Every time I do a makeup client, I sanitize everything and I also wash everything, yung mga brushes ko, even yung mga brushes na hindi nagamit, but still I wash it again before I do a makeup on a client. Yun, so kakatapos ko lang and after that I took a shower and yun, I also shower the dogs. Naligo din si Miguel at saka si Maui. Kaya ngayon pa lang ako mag-i-edit. And it's already 5. I wanted to upload 7:30 kasi nga I did not prepare any videos na guys. Wala na akong nakaschedule na video. So, but I'm not beating myself if hindi ako makapag-upload because I don't want to stress. So, yeah, I'm just taking it slowly. Yun, just enjoy lang sa pag-upload ng videos. Yun lang. That is our goal. So, yun. I'm gonna start editing na guys para makahabol ako. And while editing, I'm gonna eat my ice cream. So, yeah. Yummers. It's almost done. It's just rendering para I could review the footage kung okay lang ba. Ayan. It's already 6:12. Aabot kaya tayo? So, I already edited 2 videos. Yes, and it's already time, guys. I need to sleep now. So, I'm just working on the thumbnail and nagre-render na din yung video ko. So, I think I'm gonna call it a night, guys. I hope you had a wonderful and great day today, as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!